Hi, today we'll learn Kinemaster. I will cover how to create a new project, how to manage timeline and transitions. We're gonna add some text and effects, and also a few words about keyframing and project settings. Finally, we're gonna export our project. Without further ado, let's get going. Okay, so let's create a new project by clicking this big orange rectangle. Choose the aspect ratio. In most of the cases, you'll be using 16:9 or 9:16, depending where you want to upload your video. Name your project and click Create. You will be automatically directed to Media Browser to choose your media to the project. You can filter the view by selecting the video only. It's helpful when you have tons of pictures, but all you need are videos. Okay, let me add some random free videos to our timeline. So this is our timeline with the videos. You can switch the view if you have multiple layers to better see the whole timeline. In our case, we have only one layer, so let's switch back to our default view. Okay, so how to trim your video? Just click and highlight it and choose scissors. You have multiple options here. You can split it. You can trim to the left or to the right. You can also split and insert a freeze frame. You can change the length of it. One more thing regarding timeline, you can zoom in and zoom out the view. Going back to our clips, so you can also change the order by drag and drop method. And one more useful tool, which is Slip. With this tool, you can slide left and right to shift the start and end points of your video. You can also add your media as a new layer, so click Layer and choose Media. If you double click it in the previous screen, it will resize and pan to the project size. To remove the clip from your timeline, just highlight it and click the trash icon. Now let's add audio. So click Audio, choose the file you want and click plus button. Let's move it to the beginning of our timeline and change its volume. So click Mixer and adjust the master volume to your preference. Let's add some text now. Click Layer and Text. Then write your text. You can change the font size, the color, the size, position, a lot of stuff. You can also animate in and out your text. So click In Animation, choose the one you like, and adjust the speed. It's time for some effect. Click Layer, Effects, and choose the effect you want. In this example, I will choose Gaussian Blur. You can change its settings as well. For instance, the strength, the shape of it. Let's switch it to circle, for instance. You can change its size, its location, position. So maybe let's blur the boat. But in this case, since the boat is a moving object, we need to keyframe our effect. Okay, so first let's increase the length of the effect. Click the keyframe tool. Now move the playhead forward and adjust the position of your blur. It will automatically add a keyframe. Repeat these steps as many times as you want. So the final blurring effect looks like this. Let's add some transitions now. So you need to click in between two videos you want to make a transition. Choose the one you want. If it's not enough for you, you can always download some more by clicking the market icon. In the market, you can preview the transition before you install it. Okay, let's go back to our transitions effect and choose the one we want. For instance, that one. If you highlight the transition again, you can adjust its speed. Additional worth mentioning options would be voice record over and adding videos and photos directly from your camera. Before you export your project, go to Property Settings. In Audio section, enable Fade In and Fade Out. Adjust its length Do the same in the video section. Now your video will start and end with a nice fade in and out effect. So once you're ready to export your project, click the export button, adjust the resolution, frame rate and bitrate. I always leave bitrate at the highest possible value and click save as video. Your video will be exported to your mobile gallery. Thanks for watching till the end. Enjoy your Kinemaster editing. Good luck and see you in the next one.